Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Those who are visiting for the first time, my name is Emma and welcome. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to put together Korean alphabet, K.W.O to K.W.O with vowels, two vowels, okay? The first one will be plus E and Ah. Okay, so we'll put together Korean alphabet and two vowels. But if you don't know Korean alphabets and Korean vowels, I recommend you to go watch my other videos. So the first word for today will be Ga. Ga plus E, Ga. Ga plus E, Ga. Ka. Ka plus E, Ka. Ka plus E, Ka. Ga. Ga plus E, Ga. Ga plus E, Ga. Ga. Ga plus E, Ga. Ga plus E, Ga. Nga. Nga plus E, Nga. Nga plus E, Nga. Sa. Sa plus E, Sa. Sa plus E, Sa. Sa. Sa plus E, Sa. Sa plus E, Sa. Sha. Sha plus E, Sha. Sha plus E, Sha. Nya. Nya plus E, Nya. Nya plus E, Nya. Da. Da plus E, Da. Da plus E, Da. Ta. Ta plus E, Ta. Ta plus E, Ta. Da. Da plus E, Da. Da plus E, Da. Na. Na plus E, Na. Na plus E, Na. Pa. Pa plus E, Pa. Pa plus E, Pa. Pa. Pa plus E, Pa. Pa plus E, Pa. Ba. Ba plus E, Ba. Ba plus E, Ba. Ma. Ma plus E, Ma. Ma plus E, Ma. Ya. Ya plus E, Ya. Ya plus E, Ya. Ra. Ra plus E, Ra. Ra plus E, Ra. La. La plus E, La. La plus E, La. Wa. Wa plus E, Wa. Wa plus E, Wa. Tha. Tha plus E, Tha. Tha plus E, Tha. Ha. Ha plus E, Ha. Ha plus E, Ha. A. A plus E, A. A plus E, A. And the last one, Ha. Ha plus E, Ha. Ha plus E, Ha. So these are the K.W.O to K.W.O with the vowels plus C. Okay, and now we'll go to A. Okay, so the first word will be ga. Ga, 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 ka, 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 ga, 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 nga, 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 sa, 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 sha, 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 nya, 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 da, 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 ta, 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 da, 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 na, 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 ba, 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 pa, 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 ba, 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 ma, 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 ya, 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 ra, 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 la, 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 wa, 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 tha, 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 ha, 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 Okay, so these are the alphabets and vowels add together. So for today's bonus, okay, we'll go to bonus. It will be number 1. Good morning. My name is Emma. So if you want to say it in Korean, it will be Golere Jimime, and then you have to say your name. Your name, or in this case, my name is Emma. Golere Jimime Emma. Number 2. It's so good to see you. How are you? And in Korean, you'll say Tibanatha kudoma no sua. Tibanatha kudoma no chua. Number 3, I'm good, and you? Or not really good, and you? In Korean, you will say 요추 나머, or 믿음이 많네 오르추 아아바 나머. 요추 나머, or 오르추 아아바 나머. Okay, number 4, you say thank you. In Korean, it will be tablu. I mean, it's when you say tablu in Korean, sometimes it sounds like tablu. So tablu in Korean, in English is crazy, but tablu is thank you. BLU, tablu. 5, see you later. In Korean, you'll say tilothalaki. 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 Okay, you guys, see you later. Tilothalaki. So y'all, it's just gonna be it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If I have to make, like do better or anything like that, just comment down below. Or if I have to talk slower or speak Korean slower, just comment down below so I'll know how to fix myself, And thank you again.